Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set the lock screen in Squarespace. So simply in order to do this, just you have to visit your website, and on the left side you can see the design option. Simply click here, and after that here you will find the lock screen. So simply click here. So now here you can see customers customize the pages that is displayed to visitors when your site or individual pages are password protected. So now if you have put a password on any page, simply how the lock screen will be appear there. So simply you can see this is the password section. So simply just you can click on change layout, and after that now here you can change the layout. Simply just wait for a few seconds, our layouts being uploaded here. So now here you can see there are multiple layouts available. So simply I select this one, and here you can see our layout is changed. So simply just click on save button, and now click on back. So now here you can also edit this section like branding and text. Simply click here, and now here you can type the text like that you want to, what kind of password option you want to add here. So simply just text or logo. So simply just if you want to add the text or logo here, simply add the logo and it will be appeared on your lock screen. Or simply here you can type the headline, body. Now after that click on save. So simply just go back, and now here media, you can also add the image and video in lock screen. So adjust the fonts color and sizes. So here you can adjust the font color and sizes of screen layout page. So in this way you can set a lock screen in Squarespace.